This is Lei. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be jetting to the Philippines to make the iconic dish, chicken adobo. This isn't just dinner. It's a dish full of the Filipino history and heart. Chicken adobo is bold, tangy, and comforting, made with humble and inexpensive ingredients that transform into something unforgettable. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start by preparing the aromatics. Thinly slice the green onions for garnishing. Roughly chop the garlic. Slice the cane sugar. Next, prep the marinade. Add soy sauce and vinegar to the mixing bowl, followed by sugar. Add a tablespoon of black pepper and mix. Taste to adjust the marinade. I added a bit more sugar. Taste again. Add garlic and 3 bay leaves. Pour the marinade over the drumsticks in a baking pan and cover to store it in the fridge for an hour. Turn over the drumsticks to make sure the other sides gets marinated at an hour mark. Then marinate for 1 more hour. You can adjust the time anywhere from 30 minutes to longer. Sear the chicken in a Dutch oven over medium to high heat. Add olive oil. Remove the drumsticks from the marinade, but reserve the marinade for later use. Sear the chicken drumsticks. Try not to crowd the pan with too many at one time, as I did. I did all 9 initially, but had to remove some for another batch. Brown on both sides. Repeat the same for the second batch. Return the first batch. Add the marinade and simmer. Rinse the pan with water. Add the water to the pot. The liquid is about halfway. Move them around to make sure all are immersed in the liquid. Cover to cook for 10 minutes or so. Flip the drumsticks at a 10-minute mark and cook the other side. I also added 3 dried chilies. Cover and simmer on low heat. After cooking for a total of 20 minutes, open the lid and let the liquid evaporate to intensify the flavor. Take a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. As the liquid was boiling without the lid, I decided to add hard-boiled eggs to the pot so the tasty liquid didn't get wasted. Off camera, I boiled a dozen eggs. Only 9 survived the peeling process. How sad. I did try to move things around to make sure the eggs are in the sauce. Cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes and flip the eggs and cook for another 5 minutes. Time to serve. While waiting for the chicken to simmer, I made a pot of steamed rice, using a measuring cup to shape the rice onto a plate. Add 2 or more drumsticks. Ladle some sauce onto the rice and add green onions as garnish, and a few slices of cucumber as well. Rich, tangy, and savory Filipino chicken adobo, made with just a few simple ingredients and a whole lot of love. Give it a try and let me know how yours turn out. Thanks for watching. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.